Yeah, I'm just pulling it apart with my fork. You know it's tender. Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to do a tutorial on how to do smothered pork chops. Alright, we're not going to deep fry these pork chops, then add gravy. No, it's just a lot of calories for no reason. So, we're gonna do these up right. Right now, I have in my pan heating some avocado oil. And what we're going to do it the old fashioned way. We're going to get a couple of these pork chops down into our pan. Nice, good sized pork chops too. Look at that. And we're going to go ahead and add some garlic powder to this side. We're going to put some onion powder on there. I have some complete seasoning. We're going to use that as well. And we're only going to cook two at a time because we want them to get a nice sear on them. Salt and pepper. Season all here. We're going to make these pork chops nice and tasty with that pepper. Alright, so when it's ready to flip, so we can season the other side, I'll be back. Flip them. They're not, nice and crispy on the other side yet, but we're going to flip them so we can season this side. And they already starting to brown up for me. That onion powder down. And that garlic powder again. When we come back, we're going to flip them again. And then we're going to pull them out. Time to give it another flip. Alright guys, so it's time to make this gravy. I have the oil that's left over from those pork chops. And we're just going to go in there with these 2 tablespoons of flour. Get that in there. All mixed around. Picking up everything on the bottom. And at this stage we want to season. Those same seasons you put on them pork chops is the same season you want to put back into this gravy. And don't forget, you got to keep stirring now. And we're going to start off with 2 cups of water. You can use chicken broth or beef broth if you like, if you have it. We're going to start off with 2 cups of water. I'm sure it's going to be a total of about 5 or 6. And we're going to keep stirring. See how it's starting to thicken already? Going in with some more water. Beautiful gravy. We're going to taste. Put seasoning. Use one more garlic. Onion powder. Black pepper. We're going to come in there with our onion. These are 3 onions. We'll put our pork chops back in. Just nuzzle those babies right into this gravy. And just let them finish cooking. And you just pull all those juices right back in there. I'm going to add the top to this. And when we come back, we're going to see the finished product. Beautiful pork chops. Look at this. Look at that. They're going to fall apart. Look at that. They're so tender. Well, let's give it a taste. See how I'm just pulling it apart with my fork? No, it's tender. The gravy is delicious. The gravy is fantastic. Seasoned perfectly. The pork chop. Onions, you can get the onion flavor, the delicious gravy, the garlic from the pork, from me sprinkling in there. You could taste all the seasonings balanced correctly. Alright guys, let me get out of here because I want to enjoy this pork chop. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.